So first of all, we need to discuss about the topic which we are presenting today. So today we are taking stress. Okay, a very important topic in this current scenario. Okay, so we are talking about stress and then the yoga practices which helps you to come out of this stress and anxiety at your workplace. Like if you don't have time to do it separately, we are I'll provide you few practices which you can do on your desk and get yourself relaxed and make yourself stress free. So let's start the session with a little discussion about stress. Just a simple thing, what is health means to you?
I think from my point of view, I think it's like when your body is like, ready to do any activity that you want and you're not hindered by anything. So if you're healthy, like your body will function as it should.
Great. Thank you, Aditya, for answering. So Aditya is telling more about physical. Okay. So when your body is capable to do anything physically, okay. But health overall takes all the pillars. First pillar is your physical health, then your mental health, then your social health. And if we come to yoga side, then spiritual health is also included. So when we focus on all the parameters, all the pillars of our life, we can say that we are healthy. So we can work on physical body, we can do lots of exercise, we can eat good to maintain our physical body. Now what about our mental health? Okay, we should talk about our mental health. It is as important as your physical health. In mental health, I have taken this topic, stress, okay, which is mostly it is affecting your calmness. It is making you very dull and so many parameters. So what do you think that what stress is? Is this discomfort or tension or pressure? What do you feel? Is this all of these or any one of these? I think Aditya, you only have to answer all the questions.
All of these, all of these.
All of this. Okay. So I feel that, sir, it is not like that. Is anybody here out of 38 members, anybody without discomfort in their life? Anybody can raise their hand without discomfort, without tension, without pressure? Okay. So I think none. So we all are having all these things in our life. So it means that we all are stressed. You feel so? No, it's not like that. Okay, let's go ahead. So, what stress is actually is all these things discomfort, tension, pressure, everything, comes to us every day. But if the psychological demand is greater than your psychological defenses, then it is not good for your body, not good for your mind. Now, what is psychological demands? It's like you can see this balancing. It's like all kind of loads, the responsibilities, office pressure, any kind of stress which you are getting in your life every day. And what is this strategies? These are all coping, management, coping with these demands, okay, managing these demands. So if you can balance this Taraju, you can say balancing machine of your life. Okay, then you'll be in a you can say that you are out of stress. But if you are not able to manage this balancing machine, then what will happen? Then you'll be in a stress. So everybody has all of these discomfort, pressure, tension. Now, how we are dealing with that is important. So, what are the signs? How can you understand that? Am I able to handle all these demands or not? Okay, so how you will understand? So there are four parameters to understand this. So first is your emotional, your cognitive, physical, and behavioral. So these are the four parameters by which you can understand that will you be able to handle it or not, and will it be happening to you or not. Now see what are the emotional responses. So feeling too much exhausted, okay, rapid mood swing, and uncomfortable, socially withdrawn, tense, restlessness, anxious. So these all are what? Depressed. These all are the sign that you are emotionally stressed. Okay, this is the emotional response of your own body. So if you take all the first letter of these responses, then what you will become? Can you see? So when we are fully frustrated, then we can see, we can understand our own body, our own state of mind. Okay, I'm not in a good state. Okay, I need to check this. cognitive responses. Now, like memory loss. Okay, you feel very your concentration become very poor. It's you worried so much. So these are the you take lots of time to take any decisions, any judgments. So when it comes to you, when you are facing such issues in your life, you should understand that there is something wrong and you need to correct it. Okay, so when you have all these parameters, then how you will behave? You will behave like a first letter of each word, that is mat, cow. Physical responses, very good thing to understand, immediately that something is beyond range. So when you have headache and it is not going, okay, you are having headache for more than 3 days, more than 4 days, a week, you should understand that something is wrong in your inner system. When there is backache, lower back pain is a big sign that you are taking more stress in your life. Sleeping patterns, you are not getting good sleep. Again, sign to check. Then you are very your stomach is upset. This is the first sign. Whenever when anxiety increases or stress increases, the first system which get affected is your digestive system. Immediately you feel like going to loo. You should understand that this is a sign of you taking more stress. Now when you understand by all these parameters, okay, there is something wrong in my inner system. Okay, what you need to do, we have to check this. Okay, behavioral responses are also there, where you feel like, late to work, going late to work. Okay, lack of interest. You don't feel like doing anything new, anything, of your work or anything. You just lack of interest is there in every work. Then you start taking some kind of addictives to calm your mind, to feel good. And yelling, sometimes you see people, unnecessarily yelling on other person. Now maybe the matter is very small, they yell, they shout on somebody. So this shows that this person is not in a good state of mind. So this is the graph which everyone should understand and everyone should follow. So when your stress level is low, you can see the graph. The horizontal one is the stress level and the vertical one is your, how you are behaving. So when your stress is, low, your performance is best. You are doing very well in your, in your office, in your home, with your friends, with your society, everyone. So your performance is good. When you start taking stress to the optimum level, that time you are doing excellent. Okay, because we all need little stress to perform well. If you have to go for a meeting, if you want to, suppose today I want to give this presentations. If I would have not taken little stress and prepared myself, then it's not good. So little stress is important, or optimum level stress is important to give your best. Then problem comes when we start taking stress beyond limit, beyond optimum level. So when it is higher, you can see the graph, it is going like this. Okay, then your performance start decreasing. So when your performance start decreasing, even if you are working hard, you are giving your best, you are giving all the time to your work, but still you are not getting that result, you should take a break, work on your system, and then again come back to your work. Okay, so you know what all systems, your behavior, your physical behavior responses, your behavior responses, cognitive, emotional, all these responses will help you to understand yourself and then to others also, to your colleagues, to your family members. You will understand. Okay, then you can talk about that particular thing. If you don't understand what is all this, how it affects a person, how it affects a mind, then how can you understand yourself and how can you help yourself and then to others? So first help yourself by understanding and with full awareness, then you'll be able to help others also. So keep your stress to the optimum level where you can see your performance best. So now we can see the how yoga, we are relating all this thing with yoga. Now how yoga will help you to come out of stress and anxiety. All these are similar words, my dear friends. Stress, anxiety, depressions, all these are sad thoughts, these are similar things. Okay, this is all here. So we have to master our mind now. Now, here, yoga will help you to achieve this. See, whenever we are into practice, whenever we work on our body internally, physically, you can do lots of things. But with physical, you should work on your internal body also, your mind, your thoughts, your internal systems, everything. For that, yoga really help as a buffer. Okay, it acts as a buffer between any external factor and your body. You should understand this. So with any external factor, whenever it is approaching to you or attacking to your body or mind, it always act as a buffer, and it will not allow you to allow to give any negative effect on your body. It comes also, you'll be in a state to handle. As I said, your coping strategies or your managing techniques will be higher than your demands. Then you'll be, or balanced. Then you'll be a perfect personality. Even your nervous system, it always, calm your nervous system. So immediately when you do breathing practices or yoga practices, it directly affects your nervous system. We need to understand this. Okay. If your nervous system is calm, composed, and you're feeling good, from within, you'll be able to handle each and everything. But if you are feeling frustrated, mad cow from within, it will take lots of effort to do small things also, small targets also. So this is very good, and it's always release a good chemicals in our system. Oh, happy hormones in our systems, which keeps you happy, keeps your mood light, everything. So when you are in a good mood, you're feeling good from within, happy. Okay, you always feel like doing extra. You will not feel any pain in your body. See, tell me if I'm wrong. If your mood is off, your body feels so lethargy. You don't feel like doing anything. You may feel very heavy and very loose kind of, if your mood is very off. And if you're very happy, okay, something very good happened, your physical body feel very energetic. Your mind and your physical body work like this. If your mind is happy, you feel good physically also. If your physical body is fit, your mind will be in a good mood. Okay, so this always works together. You cannot feel healthy working on one part of your system. Okay, you say, okay, I'm doing lots of physical workout, but still something is there in your mind which is bothering you. You are in tension, you are in pressure. Okay, so how much you are doing in your physical body now, it will not show any good result. Okay, so keep your mind very happy, very cool, very calm, and keep your physical body very clean, hygienic, and strong. Okay, this is how we can work on our body internally and externally. So this is and yoga really helps you, really, really, really helps you to achieve all this thing. Okay, where we'll do it on the desk. So I have also taken my chair. So we'll do it. So I request each one of you, wherever you are, just do this few practices. It's really help you to release your tension and stress immediately, wherever you are, whatever you are doing. So just take 5 minutes off, do these practices, and you will feel good. Okay. So let's start. So sit straight, keep your body straight, your spine straight. Okay. Relax your shoulders. So first of all, everyone, stretch your arms fully. Inhale. You can open up your fingers you can move your fingers like a wave. Inhale, exhale from your mouth and make namaskar at your heart center. Okay, you can do it with eyes open or eyes closed, absolutely your choice. Okay, so inhale, exhale from mouth. Inhale, exhale, say ha. Inhale, say ha. Inhale, say ho. So always exhale from mouth when you want to release your stress or tension. Okay, relax. Relax, everyone. Interlock your fingers and place it at the back of your neck. Now inhale, exhale, tuck your chin to your chest and just keep breathing. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Okay, slowly inhale and come up. So when you are doing this, have you realized you are feeling little stretch on your spine? Okay, so whenever we are taking stress, the part which is started affecting is your spine, your neck. You will feel the stiffness in your spine and neck. When we release that stiffness, we'll release the stress also. Okay, so once again, I will tell you interlock, inhale, exhale, keep breathing, keep feeling stretch on your spine. Relax. So this you can do anywhere, anytime. The moment you do this and well, after doing this practice, you will feel very relaxed. Okay, on your back, on your spine. Now come to your shoulders. Okay, so just slightly move your shoulders in one direction. Make a good rotation. Very good. Two more rounds. So note down these practices side by side so that if anytime if you want to do at, at your workplace, you can do all these practices. Okay. So now other side, keep rotating your shoulders and relax. Now make your shoulders up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Will little more will relax our shoulder. So now see, you have to keep your fingers on your this pad, upper pad of your palm like this. Okay. Okay, keep your thumb open. Now from here, stretch your arms at your shoulder level and just turn your thumb down and down both directions. Just rotate your thumb. Okay. A very good practice to release all the tension from your shoulders. You can feel it on your shoulder. So this again you can do anytime and as number of times as if you have time, you can go with 5, 6, 10, or more than that. So choose the number as per your the availability. Okay. Now come to the spine little more. So hold the handle of your chair. Okay. Exhale and look back. From both hands you have to hold. Okay. Don't hold with one hand. Use both your hands. Exhale back. Exhale. 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 Okay. Last 2 rounds. Exhale and exhale. Again, a very good practice to release tension from your spine. Now we'll make a rainbow kind of. See, from your right hand, stretch your right hand like this halfway. Okay, go halfway. Bend towards your left and come back. From your left, inhale, exhale, come back. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay, a very good practice. You have to focus on your breath. It is very important. The more controlled breath, more controlled thoughts. Always remember, it's directly proportional. Okay, so when you are having good control on your breath, you can have good control on your thoughts. Now we have to bend forward. Okay, so first of all, we'll do mountain pose. Interlock your fingers, stretch your arms up all the way up. Let your arms be in touch with your ears and feel the stretch on your back, on your spine, on your shoulders, on your arms. Feel the good stretch. Exhale, release. See, we are sitting on the chair, so we are extending our arms like this and relaxing our body. Okay, if you are lying on the mat, you can do the same practice in a lying down position, stretching your arms up, all the way up, and give good stretch to your entire body. Now, again, a very good practice to release the stress and anxiety is cat and cow breathing. Okay, so I'll show you the side, this thing. Okay, so see, my spine is exactly straight. Okay, now keeping your hands on your knees, push your spine forward. Okay, inhale, you can look up also and give beautiful smile on your face. With exhalation, arch your spine back and tuck your chin to your chest, round your spine. Inhale, push your spine forward, look up and give beautiful smile. Exhale. With exhalation, release all the tensions. Inhale, smile, exhale, release. A wonderful practice to feel good, to relax your mind, to calm your mind. Okay? Now, again, a very good practice. It's like you're throwing the water. Okay? So just move your finger like this. Okay? It's like you're throwing the water in form of your stress or any anxiety or anything, any negative feeling. Okay, so just throw out of your body. So whatever you are doing, you have to feel. Okay, nobody can make you feel. That is your part. So whatever practice you are doing, you should feel and do it. If I'm doing like this, I'm feeling from within my all my tensions and stress and whatever negative feeling I have, I'm throwing out of my body. Okay, relax. Relax, everyone. Now we'll see few breathing practices which are very important to relax our mind immediately wherever you are. So let's start with the first, as I told you, sit in any comfortable position. Whenever you are having, you feel that you, or out of all that responses, you got to know, okay, I'm taking more stress now. So just sit in one place, inhale from nose, exhale from mouth. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Simple practice. Okay. Now the next practice is equal breathing. So whenever we take stress or whenever we take any kind of negative feelings, our breath become very unequal. Means all balancing. It's I'll let you very briefly. I'll explain you. Our body is made up of masculine and feminine both. Surya Chandra. Your right side is the Surya. Your left side is Chandra. All tattvas. Okay, all Vayu, everything. So whenever we take negative feelings, what happens? All these tattvas, all these Ida, Pingla, or you say your Surya, Chandra, everything becomes, imbalance. So what we need to do is we have to balance all the tattvas so that we feel good from inside. We can calm our mind. All the chemical reactions which are happening due to stress or tension, it should go down. So equalize your breath. How we can do this? Inhale 4 count, exhale 4 count. You can start with 4. If you feel very comfortable in 4, you can increase to 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, till whatever count you want. But it should not be a pressureful breathing. Means you are breathing like this. No, it should not be like this. Okay? It should be very smooth. So let's start with 4. All of you sit straight. Adapt any comfortable hand gesture. Inhale 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are comfortable, go with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is equalizing your breath. Now the next is keep your right hand on your abdomen, left hand on your chest. As you inhale, blow up your abdomen. As you exhale, take your abdomen in. Now this is abdominal breathing. So, friends, first you understand the theory. Whenever we take stress or have taken too much of tension, we start breathing shallow. Means still here only. That's why if somebody is having too much of stress or too much of anger, their breath become very fast. They start breathing very fast. And why it is fast? Because it is shallow. Okay, it is not going fully. So first thing you should do to breathe completely. So that is called abdominal breathing. So just keep your hand on your abdomen, and if you are comfortable, if you understand the movement, you can keep it anywhere, whatever form you want. Inhale, blow up your abdomen. Exhale, take it in. Inhale, blow up. Exhale, take it in. See, my eyes automatically close because when we are practicing all this breathing, we close our eyes. Why? Because we don't want our senses to be active. Okay, if I keep my eyes open, my this sense is fully active. So that when sense is active, it will start gathering information. So I don't want that. So I close my eyes. I want to go within. Okay, I want to be with myself for some time. So inhale, blow up. Exhale, take it in. Inhale, blow up. Exhale, take it in. Inhale, blow up. Exhale, take it in. Okay, so we have learned your simple breathing and abdominal breathing, equalizing of your breath. Okay, now the next is Anulom Vilom, which is also called as alternate nostril breathing. So for that, take your right hand. Okay, make a fist. Now release your little ring and thumb out. Okay, so this is the exact mudra for an Anulom Vilom. If you are not comfortable with this, you can use any fingers, doesn't matter. Okay, but if you are in this, it gives you additional benefits. Okay, now keep this under your nostril. Do it along with me. Close your right nostril. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close your left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. I repeat. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. So this is 2 cycle. Cycle means starting and end point is same, which is exhalation on the left side. Okay, and alternate nostril means start with exhalation on the left, and then switch, exhale right, inhale right, exhale left, finish your cycle. So this again balances your Surya and Chand, masculine, feminine, Ida, Pingla, Nadi, whatever you want to say. Okay, and whenever you are breathing, you have to give positive thoughts to your mind. Or if you are in a stress, you just feel that you are in a place or you are talking to someone where you feel very happy. Okay. So whenever you are breathing any of these, imagine yourself that you are in a beautiful place where literally you feel very happy. Okay. So take your mind to that part, to that place. Okay. And if you are happy on your desk or in your house, you can imagine anything. So that is how you can relax your mind. Now the last we are doing is Bhamri. Bhamri is excellent practice to calm your mind immediately. So how to do that? I will not make it complicated. There are so many ways to do. I'll give you very simple. Inhale from nose. And while exhaling, make a sound of M, humming bee, M sound. Okay, it's like mm, sound of M or humming bee sound. Now, see, different people make different kind of sound. Let's make it little funny also. See, what else sound people make? Mm, mm. Okay, forcefully exhaling. Okay, don't do that. Till the point you are comfortable, exhale that much only. It should be a smooth and continuous sound. It's like mm, that's it. Okay, don't go beyond your limit. So when you make such sound, you feel that you are creating a vibration from your throat in your head region, and these vibrations are very good to keep your mind calm. Keeps you happy, and whatever thoughts you want to create, you can create during these breathing practices. See guys, no one is perfect. Everyone gets negative thoughts, everyone gets positive thoughts. We all are simple human beings. If we have to check our thoughts every day, what kind of thoughts I am having, what I am thinking, and then how to replace it with the good thoughts with these breathing practices. So when you are breathing, you should always think good. You should always give good thoughts to your mind. Whatever makes you happy, makes you feel good. And when you are exhaling, release all the tensions, all the stress, physical, mental, everything from your body. This is 100%, what you say, foolproof practices. There is no negative thought. There is no negative for these practices. There is nothing wrong. Okay, no side effects, nothing. Okay, from ages, people are practicing this, and everybody is getting only benefits. So, guys, I request each one of you to practice all these breathing practices and the joint movements which we have done, spinal movement which we have done, to keep yourself exactly stress free. And some stress you have to take to perform well, so that is up to you. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you so much, and I'm open for questions. Constant headache. Okay. So for constant headache, it's not a normal thing. First of all, you have to understand, if you have a constant headache more than 3 to 4 days, you have to work on your body, and you have to do lots of exercise. And secondly, if it is going beyond a week or so, please consult a doctor also. With that, you should do all this breathing exercise. Now, for constant headache, all the exercises in which the blood flow is towards your brain, you have to do. So you have to increase the blood circulation towards your brain. So mountain pose, okay, you have to do Ustra Asana, you have to do. So I'll just quickly demonstrate these two practices for you. Okay. So see where you can increase the blood circulation towards your head. So one is this simple. Okay, be here for 30 seconds. Okay. The next is on your knees. You should just hold your ankles and look back. If you're not able to do this, at least half you can do, holding your waist like this, hanging your head back. So wherever understood now. So you can now, if you understand the logic, if you see any asana where the blood circulation is towards head, you can do all those asanas. Okay, so these two are very important. And and another one is simple. You raise your arms up and just be here. Pada Hasta Asana. Okay. So again, blood circulation is towards your brain. And along with these asanas, Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing, which we have done, and the Bhamri, the last one, making M sound. These two pranayams are very important if you have headache. And you have to do regular practice. It's not one day thing. Do regularly, and also check your digestion, what you are eating. Sometimes headache is because of gas, so that also you have to check what you are eating. Are you eating very raw or wholesome, like with this full grain like rajma, chickpeas on a regular basis. So what you are eating, that also you have to check. So you have to check your food, you have to check your breathing, you have to do asanas, and if, after doing all this thing, if you get relief, very good. If not, it is going beyond week or so, please consult doctor also.
Stress can be from blood relationships. So can these still be resolved with these exercises?
Yes, why not? See, uh, if first of all, if we know that this is running in our family, okay, so that time, so we have to work more, and we have to work. Now you have a proper vision that okay, I it should not come to me. So do all the practices which helps you to as a preventive action. Keep doing all the practices, and even if it comes, it will not affect your body as bad as it has done to your parents or grandparents or anybody, because you have that capability to fight. You have made your internal system and your mind so capable that whatever is coming to you, you are able to fight back. So prepare your body, prepare your mind for any of such problems. Do every day 45 1 hour you have to give to your body every day. Workout, and workout doesn't mean walking in house, preparing food or doing household activities and walking in office. These are the extra thing you are doing to keep yourself moving throughout the day. Okay, but this is not a workout. Workout means religiously 1 hour of brisk walk, yoga practices 1 hour, proper breathing practices, or if you are interested in gym or jogging, running, whatever. Prepare yourself and do multiple things. Don't stick to one form of exercise. Okay, if you are going to gym, do yoga practices. It will really help you to do better in gym. If you are a yoga practitioner only, start doing strength practices also. Okay, you will do better, and it will very good for your body. So do 2 3 forms of exercise, and walking is always good. So prepare yourself. That's it. Gastric, you asked, no? Yes, you have to see anything which is related to your abdomen. So first of all, for pranayam, you can do Kapalabhati. Okay, it really helps you to get rid of this. Kapalabhati is active exhalation. It's like, okay, this one practice in pranayam. Then in asanas, all the asanas, including Pavan Muktasana, where you are holding your lying on a back and holding your knees and pressing towards the chest. Okay, so these are all asanas and Kapalbhati in pranayam. So this you have to do, and check your food. Okay, give time to your system to digest your food. One last advice.
Ma'am, I just want to ask, what is the way to for good sleep? Sometimes it's not getting sleep properly.
Better
Someday,
sleep. Okay, for better sleep. Okay, for better sleep, Amit, you should follow certain rituals. As for anything, we follow rituals. No, for if you are facing sleeping issues, you should follow certain rituals. First of all, always keep yourself very hygienic when you are going to sleep. So take bath, okay, before you're sleeping. Finish your food 3 to 4 hours or 3 hours before you go to sleep. Okay, so that your system is also resting when you are resting. So that is first thing, food and hygiene. Then when you go to your bed, 1 hour before, please switch off all your mobiles, all electronic items. It should not be within your pillow or anywhere else. So again, get this thing away from you. Then keep all this thing. Then after that, you you just sit on your bed and do arm chanting or om. Simple. Arm is very it takes time to explain arm. Om, but it should not be audible. How you have to say? I'm saying you in first like audible, and then you have to do it mentally. See how. Oh. Now the same thing you have to say mentally. Okay. Okay, this you can do sitting on your bed or lying on your bed. And one breathing which I have told you, abdominal breathing means inhale, blow up your abdomen, exhale, take it in. Just lie down on your bed and very slowly inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, give good oxygen to your body, then chant Om and then sleep. This is a very good ritual to have a good sleep. Try this. If you are getting benefit, do let me.
One last question. Is there any exercise for concentration?
Concentration. Yes, you can
Yeah.
do. You can do Trataka Amit. A simple practice. What you can do is you can use any image. Okay, I'll show you. I have one. So see, this is like one image. Okay, I always keep this. If you don't want to use this, you can use any image of your choice. Okay, just keep it in front of you, and it should be at your eye level. It should not be up like you are looking like this, or down you are looking like this. It should be, your neck should be straight, and you are looking to that image, and try to focus. Okay, try to focus. If your mind is wandering and thinking something else, concentrate on your breath, and try to concentrate only on that image for 1 minute, 2 minutes, exceed up to 5 minutes. So gradually your concentration will increase. Okay, and if you are looking to the mirror, this image, and your mind is somewhere else, start concentrating on your breath and get your focus again. So this is one technique. Okay, second technique is just focus on your breath, and there are so many techniques. You can use a lamp, this what we call diya. Okay, so that also you can keep in front of your eyes, and that flame, try to focus on that flame. Just for few minutes you do it, you will you can see the difference.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.